yɛkɔ wager bawe ade a ya na meda na etete me pa eye kwan yɛfa so a yɛyɛ yɛmanyɔsɛm ɛwɔ kurom a na ade baako a yɛntoto naseɛ ɛyɛ apɔmuden me bɛ sɛ oba Facebook na obɛhwɛ ade me nim sɛ last week saadi we esafesi on social media regarding a specialist children hospital a ɛwɔ wager bawe na oba Facebook a this is a well furnished hospital brabɛhwɛ ade we a hospital a yɛwie nhwɛmfidie esimu we a obi bɛda so ami ayɛ na operation ho no ma ne ade is nkwada hospital a yɛde mfidie papa ɛde abɛgum hwɛ hɔ fɛ ɛne ade a ohwɛ 120 bed facility ya reports no kyerɛ sɛ it was completed in November 2024 nurse yɛkeka bɔ mu a atwa fe ɛne abosome kakra a yɛka kɔ yɛnim up to now hospital no yɛmie sɛ bɛgye nkwadaa yɛadehwɛ edibra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 ɔhu prep area all the other sections facilities ni nyinaa wɔ hɔ a ɛba nkwadaa apɔmuden ho nsɛm a this would have been a specialist hospital a ɛbɛboa ne yɛtumi de ahwɛ nkwadaa agye wɔ mo ayadehwɛ wager bawe children specialist hospital because ɛyɛ na facilities ɛbɛn hɔ no yɛ na abɔ apɛ so enti aban dada no apɛ so wɔn hyɛ aseɛ na World Bank ɛboa yɛ sɛ wɔn nsi saa facility na ɛma asopiti ahodoɔ ɛbɛnbɛn hɔ no ayɛ na emu akyerɛ no wɔn kɔ mu hare wɔn na yɛnya specialist wɔn bɛhwɛ nkwadaa apɔmuden ho nsɛm ɛwɔ hɔ so this is the facility na bɛhwɛ no ma ɛwɔ mpa mfidie ɛwɔ yɛ install air conditioners bi bia a egu hɔ bɛboro afe yɛmia no sɛ nipa nkom baro de bɛhwɛ ade mi wi a ensɛm wɔkyire na update no yɛde mu nkɔmɔ
Si we na igual que no malo que no, we na ya lo que no.
Into better bed the mono and no man mono fidie monitors mono and the CC hospital will come up bibia you fine, but ye Jesse was say ye mia no na ubise mu a na ensemo eba no se nya demonstration a ekoso a wager bawe adehye kabo mu se no ye beye demonstration and wo mo MP Jerry Ahmed abanti the obe see eye tena gifty na ayele anaimu deputy health minister former MP for the area eye Jerry Ahmed Shaib and one in a manfo kabo mu omo ye se no hospital na si wache yensu ehia se behwe ye di enti ne yemie and wo mo ye demonstrations okay last week na nya asem geto akra se aban yi emie anoma wo mo na this hospital yesie wi nkwada de ombe ye de ombe tumu ese bia nkwada nketenkete no na ye bedware wo mo be bibia no ene wo ho no on kama bibia ye kama eye fine bra Facebook be hade utumi say ye ultra modern hospital abrofo de bi pa na ya besi hwemfidi ye de abegum World Bank and aso asene say yensi sa hospital yi emfa mo Ghana 2024 ya complete. According to the report, Jeff de no to mame, my joy de no fatu ho mame. Or see the abandoned but completed and fully equipped children's specialist hospital at Wager. And ye jana ho, she hospital nanim, muni fe she colors omudia ye nyina fe. Very spacious area where any more frontage or forecourt a ultra modern facility. World Bank and a soya senese yensi we are yes 2024. Besi ene ye me yes ye betumi age embofra ya de hwe staff kura ye mfa bi nkomu so omo nkoye adwuma na Ministry of Health bra demonstration course wo wage ane ade na omo de krata aba bonten a omo kyerese ministry no at the ekoso nyina na hospital no World Bank na finance ye a e sha 2023 na expect say be complete December 2025 but o hwe de me de kire wo na per Joy News enhwemu a wako wura asia wo ma report no kire say was completed in November 2024 not expected to be completed bi asembia. Jeff, take me back to the releaser almost the buy no Famiko Ministry of Health document also. Now, almost say, however, in 2024, the World Bank raised concerns about misprocurement, which included inflated cost of medical equipment up to about 11 times the actual price. The ministry say 2024. World Bank no di nisika ba yes ye ni dwuma ne yensi hospital ne se enoma ese ye to ne ye di si hospital no ye de akade ye hospital ne eye ho no ebi wo mo kotoma ebo no ebro so omo to ebo no mo ho be ye du baako. This is already the actual World Bank letter no mo de buy now, which I will show it to you later no. It just between 3 to 11 times of the price. Eti ade no bia ye to no 10 cedis a nipa no ekoto no ekotro 30 cedis sesa anu ato no. Ananse 110 cedis 11 times sesa anu ato no. Eti na World Bank se there be efa wo mu PPR omu post procurement review ahodo omu ye no omu hu say kwan ya omu fa so a wo mo toto no ma no ebo no wo ma yiyiri mu dodo a World Bank hu ni say ye bu na fa so enti wo mu hodi ona wo mu ndi hu dwuma bi na sa ade we ye ba ye no since 2024 a World Bank raise we no wo ma ye hu de bia me ka say the problem is the NDC MPP and e hayen kromu ase NDC MPP sa manyokuo mienu we no a ne ye problem a ye de te ha ye ntimi nkoye ni mu okromu a just screen for me behe letter ye that way it was dated September 1st 2025 where every World Bank letter of the buyer which has been received by the Ministry of Health by the Chief Director letter we se ukomu a o kire wo say o kire koma ato forcing ena ato edi copy edi ama Ministry of Health because for the Ministry of Health woman na ehwe yes hospital na yebesie na woman say I want us to read the paragraph 3 no or say the PPR report was shared with the Ministry of Health Project Implementation Unit on April 29 2025 until April 29 more than a year ago na World Bank as a review report no the ama Ministry of Health say e dan na yesie no womo ebu World Bank afaso ehu sika eso womo de ye no ya ho mo miensa de ko du baako enti no entiase anim no ma ese omo to no omo ato amebo no omo yiri mu ama ne kosoro aboka ewum enti emu hwehwemu ni ade no saa no omo hunu enti Ministry of Health ne ade no omo nya hu bibi enti so we letter ba ye ya e kire opefe say bibi akoso a enye papa na World Bank raise concern na Ministry of Health letter of the bar last week say World Bank raises asem wenti no mantimi ambie hospital nano. Now my question is that so World Bank the letter by April 29 wamamo report as Ministry of Health April 29 2025 more than a year ago Ministry of Health enti niente ho hwe omo a contractor wo yes adwuma no omo akoye procurement no kototo no ma ne baaye any ade nyina ye nte ho hwe na hospital de sisi wo it is enye MP ni Jerry Ahmed any adehye wo krom wo no mo sori ye no mu ye deda enka letter we da ho ye nya obi ahwe ye nte de akoso because Aweko Construction Limited na wo mo no je contract no mu di dwuma na ese procurement no eno ma ne bi wo mabu afaso bebrebe no ede ne aye wo mo ya frɛ wo makɔ committee be yadim ehwehwemu be ne aye a year ago bibia nsiye until some month for your demonstration and na yede betu dwa Ministry of Health be ka say World Bank say eti the question am bisa ne say ede na aban we pese wo di sie e wo de yakoso wo children hospital we jaba we no. I think that there are some backdoor deal cuttings bia ekoso a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So what buying opese wani monyam gina mu na ko yie bia. Then some of these things must be looked at, because a letter World Bank dia ba the report to Nama Ministry no since 29th April 2025. Yanya ho hwe ko se manfo ya demonstration. In fact, the entire message yanya ho re say then minister in charge of that project ya. Minister no wo ho a Ekufuado penso sa project no e course wo no nyina no. Sa minister no kura no. Sebe onya wo kura se World Bank de letter bia ba se procurement o ye no o man procure no ma ye o ma ya ma ne bo abro so onya we o Okoboy Bernard Okoboy so onya we me pese wa wutie no ebia make obeka se me bo ati Okoboy o say he is not aware say let be cry free World Bank aba a etre se bia wono mo aboka bia na so o ma di diska bia ma na abro so tie
bureaucracy must go to finance. With all due respect, within 3-4 months of winning, if these things were being chased, with all due respect.
Yeah, but the World Bank is raising issues.
I'm coming.
Did you know about those issues?
You see, again, I keep on bringing this thing to your attention so that please, you might miss that plot. Appointees of government tell us things and they don't give you any document. You are a serious journalist. Somebody is telling you that there's misprocurement. What is the evidence?
Enti Okoboy no say aban we say omo apenso no omo Okoboy apenso MPP apenso no omo toto no ma di sika ni bi gu so my kaba enti na hospital ni yentimi mia document bi anywhere e tresa e kire ye obeka say aban we bua no ansa na ye di document yi Jeff Safato suba me World Bank document yi e dey ba bontin enti what were they hiding? Because let te ba yenye sa document yi World Bank dey Jeff Safato we eba yenye eti di enti na mo akipu no e wo ministries wo di enti na mo akipu na atofose this letter was addressed to you yehu say investigation be ekoso a BBNC even the minister no ye in charge doesn't know anything about this particular letter eti di pa na ekoso no serious questions were asked, no investigations, no consequences up to now. The minister who supervised over that project, you see, inflated cost. No? That minister is not even aware that World Bank are raising issues. The contractor, the MP, the former minister, nobody knows. It did not let away no more to so day. Why did it take public protest and sana mudi let away eba bontia bechesa ampa na bibio? More than 8 to 9 months. BBNC. BBNC. From April 29, added by BBNC. What exactly was the case behind ya no more yedi until people do protest and sana more become wasem? Is it incompetence or complete failure? And answer a backdoor deals because what? Oh, there you be cash or dinya $3.8 million in question. And then you guys kept it. Yeah, more be a whooshi. Namanfu, woman here the stress, hospital for fee, hospital for fee, ya de bejo my yard, shen fidi simunano. Over a year, nurse say. A didn't mean fast 8 months, one, and your investigation would your quiet procurement na. What my buona brosua, and the World Bank is here, Nuntino, what raise it concern, Emma Moon, Entimi, and Kohona, much as no Emma Muntimi. When we said here, two of my muye, I say you scratch my back, I scratch your back. That is what the MPP NDC is doing. Because yes, our pan and deals near cutting at the back door. 8 to 9 months on review report number concerns no crowd a year ago and I'm over so now World Bank has a letter about 8 to 9 months ago. No investigation started because investigations are starting and Akokoa because he was the minister there. I was who knew yeah on my way no me say Sama nyofo ya enedi abro ese woman no. It is a children's hospital no. Enipa ewu ebia nka ye adwuma ko mo ntumi anwu nkwada ahwere mo nkwa ye adwuma mo ntumi ahwere mo nkwa nyina no. Eye obi incompetence, obi negligence, obi inactiveness. E de nam suma sa de na koso. Because you two one among ebia ye nya solutions in 3 months 4 months ya enka etumi am ye bie de daada. Ba na yete so it took only protest to bring this up. shame on you all. Those leadership are more trans alete iswa. More hand to one and more nay, a month for a demonstration and son a basso. But John Dramadi Mama. Shall no may you. And yes, I dear. A man penny for the DBA make us say they don't have a problem, so much problem. But Omo I appoint you or Mumano. They are the reason for their failures. I mean, fancy here, a jet to your and I'm the ama, maybe.
Nhyira
104.5